This video is going to send you soaring with excitement. We're talking drones. Happy, fun, flying drones. Those magical flying machines that capture breathtaking views and make us feel like tech wizards. Get ready to dive into the top 7 drones that are guaranteed to bring a smile to anyone's face, from the young and curious to the young at heart. These drones are perfect for beginners who are just starting their aerial adventures, and drones that will satisfy even the most experienced pilots. Whether you're looking to capture stunning vacation footage, surprise your loved ones with a unique gift, or simply embrace the joy of flight, I've got you covered. So, buckle up, grab your imaginary pilot hats, and let's take flight as we explore these awesome drones. First up, we've got the mighty DJI Mavic Air 2. This drone is a total game changer, my friends. Imagine this. You're soaring above a breathtaking landscape, the wind whispering through your hair. Okay, maybe not hair, but you get the idea. And with the Mavic Air 2's 4K camera, you can capture every single detail in all its glory. We're talking crystal clear images and buttery smooth footage that will make your jaw drop. But wait, there's more. This bad boy boasts an impressive 34-minute flight time. That's almost a full hour of airtime to explore, create, and let your imagination run wild. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is like the superhero of drones. Powerful, versatile, and always ready for an adventure. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this drone is a total game changer. Trust me, your inner child will be doing backflips. Next up is the DJI Mini 2, the pocket rocket of the drone world. Don't let its compact size fool you. This little guy packs a punch. It's so small and lightweight that you can literally take it anywhere. Imagine whipping it out at a moment's notice to capture those spontaneous adventures life throws your way. And despite its tiny stature, the Mini 2 still manages to deliver an impressive 31 minutes of flight time. That's right, you can zip and zoom through the air, capturing epic shots without constantly worrying about battery life. The DJI Mini 2 proves that big things come in small packages. It's the perfect companion for adventurers on the go. Calling all drone newbies. If you're just starting out and want a drone that's both affordable and easy to fly, then look no further than the Rise Tello. This little drone is like the training wheels of the drone world, but in the best way possible. It's super intuitive to control, so you'll be flying like a pro in no time. And even though it's budget-friendly, the Tello doesn't skimp on features. You still get decent camera quality and a surprising amount of flight time for the price. Plus, it's so much fun to fly. The Rise Tello is proof that you don't need to break the bank to experience the joy of drones. Now let's talk about the Holystone HS720, a drone that's perfect for those who want to explore the world from above with a little extra peace of mind. This drone comes equipped with GPS-assisted flight, which means it knows where it is at all times. So even if you're flying in a new or challenging environment, you can relax knowing that the HS720 has got your back. And with a respectable 26-minute flight time, you'll have plenty of time to soak in those breathtaking views. The Holystone HS720 is like having a trusty co-pilot by your side, guiding you through every aerial adventure. Get ready to be amazed by the Parrot Anafi, a drone that's small in size but big on features. This little guy is like the magician of the drone world, always pulling out surprises from its hat. First of all, it boasts a 4K HDR camera that captures stunningly detailed footage with vibrant colors and incredible dynamic range. And despite its powerful camera, the Anafi is incredibly portable. It folds up neatly, making it easy to toss in your bag and take with you on all your adventures. The Parrot Anafi proves that you don't have to sacrifice quality for portability. It's the perfect companion for capturing life's precious moments in stunning detail. Next up, we've got the Potensic T25, a drone that offers a great balance of features and affordability. This drone is perfect for those who want a taste of the high life without breaking the bank. It comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera that captures clear and detailed footage. And with its GPS return home feature, you can rest assured that the T25 will always find its way back to you, even if it loses signal. The Potensic T25 is like that reliable friend who's always down for an adventure, no matter your budget. Last but not least, we have the Autel Robotics Evo Lite, plus a drone that's ready to take your aerial photography and videography to new heights. This drone is an absolute beast, boasting a 6K camera that captures breathtakingly detailed footage. We're talking about images so sharp you can practically count the leaves on the trees. And with an impressive 40-minute flight time, you'll have plenty of time to explore and capture those epic shots. The Autel Robotics Evo Light Plus is like the luxury sedan of the drone world. Smooth, powerful, and packed with features. And there you have it, folks. The top 7 drones that will make everyone happy. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's a drone out there with your name on it. So what are you waiting for? Go out there, embrace the skies, and capture those unforgettable moments. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know in the comments which drone is your favorite. Remember, life is too short to stay grounded. Get out there and fly high.